Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about some of the coins we are going to be taking advantage of during this really most recent 2.6% decrease in the last 24 hours. So the top 5 coins that we're going to be looking at are going to be discussed today. Before we jump into them though, I want to take a look at this, really crypto space altogether. A 2.6% decrease in the last 24 hours is going to make a lot of coins on, or, kind of a discount, I should say, for a lot of coins. And that's exactly what we like to see during a bull market, because this is going to give us an opportunity to dollar cost average in yet again. I will say, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. And if you are buying, dollar cost averaging in is something that I always like to do. As we look a little bit farther down, you're going to see Cardano over a 2% decrease, Solana over a 2% decrease, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu both got hit pretty hard, a 7% and a 16% decrease there. But as we move a little bit farther down, some of these altcoins not hit too hard. Axie Infinity, though, seeing a 10.43% decrease, Polygon 3%, Algorand 2%. So anywhere from 2 to 6% for the most part when it comes to the coins that I like to invest in, which are coins with high potential and high usability and utility. So I'm going to jump into the first coin today, and it's going to be an obvious one. So it's going to get us started with something like Cardano, because Cardano is going to continue to see this decrease happen. However, $1.93 for Cardano when it was once at $3.10. You're almost finding a 50% discount on Cardano. We've seen the potential behind it. We know that there's big things working on behind the scenes. Cardano is either a hit or miss with a lot of you guys. A lot of people do like Cardano, but there are a few of you guys as well that just can't support it. They don't believe that there's a future in Cardano. They don't believe that this chain has really much momentum behind it. And that's something that's perfectly fine. The only reason I would say Cardano is a top competitor with some of the big ecosystems out there is because of everything they're doing kind of behind the scenes. We've talked about the, really what they're trying to accomplish across in other countries. We've talked about their staking progression with what kind of staking they have available. Very easy to actually get involved. They have so much going for them, and I think it's just going to be a matter of time before we see Cardano passing at $3 yet again. This is a coin I should say I'm at least looking into. Definitely have some investments in as well with all 5 of these coins I'm about to mention. But Cardano is one of those I think you guys should at least be looking into, understanding what they're doing and, where it could be going by the end of this year and end of the bull market. I do want to jump into BlockFi before we talk about any other coins. We have 4 more coins to talk about, but there's something here. When I talked about Cardano staking, it made me think of Chainlink. So Chainlink's a coin that will also be mentioned on this list. I'll just break the news to you guys right now, because Chainlink's a coin that I pretty much mention any chance I get, as I think it's going to be a coin that changes a lot of lives with the value that is going to be put into Chainlink in the next couple of months. But BlockFi is a great way to basically stake your Chainlink. If you didn't know, Chainlink doesn't have a way to stake, and that's something that a lot of people don't like about Chainlink. Well, with BlockFi, you can actually earn more from your crypto. Your crypto can earn up to 9.5% APY with a BlockFi interest account, BIA account, and interest occurs daily and is paid monthly. There are no hidden fees, no minimum balances, and no reason to wait. So if you guys want to take advantage of BlockFi, definitely jump down into the description below. That'll actually give you a $250 worth of Bitcoin start. So that'll push you guys, hopefully, to get involved with BlockFi. It's definitely going to help you if you are invested in Chainlink or any other cryptocurrencies. As we move forward, there's going to be more to talk about when it comes to Chainlink. We have, as promised, 40 Chainlink giveaway if we hit $40 Chainlink by the end of November. Follow and retweet to be entered. I just tweeted this out like a second ago, so all you guys have to do is follow me and retweet this specific tweet on my Twitter, and you guys will be entered to win that 40 Chainlink if we go above $40 by the end of November. Unfortunately, we didn't during the October month, so we didn't give away there, but now we can do it in November. So jumping back over to Cardano, I want to take a look at 4 other coins. You guys already busted one of them, so Chainlink's going to be the other one we're going to be taking a look at. And with the most recent decreases on Chainlink, we're down to about $28 or $28.99 is what I'm going with here, almost below $29 mark. We have a day of about a 4.22% decrease. Chainlink is one of those coins that I believe is truly very undervalued. If we take a look here, $13.5 billion in market cap, that's going to be lower than so many cryptocurrencies that, in my opinion, are a little much worse, I should say. If we take a look here through the charts, you can see that Terra Luna has actually jumped above. We have Shiba Inu jumping above. We have Uniswap is still above, surprisingly. I couldn't imagine why Uniswap is still valued at $15 billion, but it is. And we see, Wraps Bitcoin, obviously market cap a little bit above, but you can see that, Chainlink's got a while to go. It's at $13 billion. If we had the market cap of Cardano right now, or even Solana, we'd be seeing a huge, huge price spike. So keep an eye on Chainlink, the utility behind it, the ecosystem itself continuing to grow every day. Definitely a coin to look at. Definitely, like I said, during this 4.22% decrease, you're going to be able to find a decent discount there if you are looking to buy. As we look a little bit farther into the crypto space, there's going to be 3 more coins we're going to be looking at for the top 5 to buy during this dip. One that I'm going to be talking about a little bit here is Polygon. We had a most recent increase that was a very, very bullish increase above $2, $2.03 to be exact, and then back down we came all the way down to $1.81. I think Polygon's going to break into $1.70. Once we see it breaking into the $1.70s, taking advantage of Polygon's price may not be a bad idea. We've talked about all of the different ways Polygon can be utilized right now, and there's definitely reason to believe that this $12.4 billion market cap will continue to rise over the next couple of years. I'm not going to jump too much farther into Polygon because I want to jump into the next 2 coins very, very badly. One coin I believe is going to break a new all-time high in the next couple of months, and I think it actually could happen in the next month alone, is Polkadot. So if we take a look at Polkadot, about a 4% decrease in the last 24 hours. At 41.20, we are seeing Polkadot at a very undervalued price point moving into the parachain auctions coming up November 11th. Up until November 11th, we could see a ton of price volatility with Polkadot because of the amount of people trying to buy and sell the hype and news. With that, guys, you do have to be a little bit, careful investing in Polkadot just because of the volatility. However, if you're holding this long-term, DCA or dollar cost averaging in is definitely going to be a safe bet when it comes down to Polkadot. I want to jump into one more coin because we talked about 4 different coins that I truly do believe in and think that they are worth buying at this discount. One coin that is kind of different than all the other ones. We talked about it before. We're going to talk about it again. It's going to be Vechain. Vechain is one of those coins I don't believe is going to have a huge, huge breakout in this year or this bull market. I think it's going to be next bull market. This price you're seeing right now at 13 cents over a 4.28% decrease. I think we're going to see a very, very valuable Vechain pushing into 4 to 5 years from now. So I think this is going to be a long-term investment that is kind of different than all of the other coins I mentioned. I think this is going to be an investment you're going to have to wait a little bit longer to see your profits, but it is going to be coming. With Vechain, you guys already know what it is, but I'll give you a brief rundown. Is a cryptocurrency and smart contracts platform focused on supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can then record data onto the Vechain blockchain. So another great coin to invest in. If you're looking to dollar cost average, that is the way I like to invest. And I will say, guys, I am not a financial advisor, so always do your own research, but dollar cost averaging in during these dips like this is definitely the way a lot of people become what I would say profitable in the space. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on. If you guys want to stay up to date with pre-sales, IDOs, ICOs, jump into the description down below. If you guys follow me on Patreon and, help me out there supportive wise, we are going to help you out as well on that Patreon. So thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you all in the next one.